All right, guys, this is the tank. This is a plane that I designed, and it's using this special Lamtech foam board here. It's something I made up and I manufacture here in Portland, Oregon. Today we're testing this out again. We've got quite a few flights on this one. Today I'm going to attempt to break this wing. This is a 4-foot wingspan that's approximately 1/4 inch thick. As you can see, it's a profile wing, and there's no spar whatsoever on it. So there's the bottom, and there's the top. The tail fins are also Lamtech foam board too, and this is run on a 1/2 inch piece of aluminum. So we're going to try to see if we can buckle this wing. That? Holy cow.
A lot of flex there.
Okay, let me go up higher, get a lot of speed going down. It's going to pull up all the way on and see what happens. Holy
Whoa.
cow. You get that on video?
I did. Didn't quite do it as much justice in person, but I mean, you can see that wing just flex. Even right there.
Let me do one like coming towards us so we can get a better view of it.
Good idea.
Oh. That's pretty wild. We're gonna say it's unbreakable?
I think it's safe to say it's unbreakable.
Jeez, dude.
I mean, if I can whack it into the ground at full speed twice and not break it, you know, I don't think you're going to be able to break it in the air. Top it off with an ugly landing.
I can't land, I told you. Do a little victory dance. Hop it around like a chicken.
No tail wheel.
Gotta love that profile, baby.